Hi, it's Amy Greif with the Novel Team at Compass Realty. Welcome to 11361 Granada Court in the Woods Villas in beautiful Leawood, Kansas. This home features a primary suite on the main level, a beautiful office, tons of open living space, and a very high-end chef's kitchen. The lower level features another bedroom, a full bath, and a large recreational area. One of the things that sets this home apart are the high-end finishes from top to bottom throughout. Come in and take a look.